If you are wondering if you need to buy a charger or power adapter for your OPPO Reno 15 Pro, then the answer actually depends on a couple of things. First of all, it depends where you live. If you live in a country where power adapters are usually included inside the box, if you can still find them inside the box, then in this case you will find the power adapter inside the box of OPPO Reno 15 Pro as well. But if you live, let's say, in Europe, and then most likely the power adapter will not be included, so you will have to purchase it separately. Now, if you cannot look at the back of the box, then of course I can recommend you asking the person that is selling the phone to you to give you that information, if the power adapter is included or not. But another thing that is worth mentioning is if you already have a power adapter from, let's say, your previous device. Say if you had another phone by now, and now you replaced it with the OPPO Reno 15 Pro, you can probably still use it. The one thing that you need to probably keep in mind is that the original cable that we have inside the box is USB-A to USB-C. So the power adapter ideally should have USB-A port. Now if you happen to get or have a power adapter that has USB-C port, then you will also need to use a different cable. You will not be able to use the original one, or you will have to use like some sort of like an additional adapter for your USB cable to convert USB-A to USB-C. Nevertheless, if you still have a power adapter from a previous device, it might work just fine, but you might need to change the cable in some cases. But you still should be able to charge your OPPO Reno 15 Pro. But if you're looking for an upgrade, then of course, in that case, you will have to purchase a better power adapter. We have 80 watts charging available on OPPO Reno 15 Pro, so if you are looking for a power adapter that has 80 watts with the Super VOOC technology. So this thing over here, where's my focus? There we go. This one has 120, but you can maybe find 80 watts as well. And this will allow you to get the fastest charging speed possible for your OPPO Reno 15 Pro. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.